I did a video on this Himal cover over a year ago for my mower. I was actually surprised with how popular this was and how much feedback I've gotten. I had people ask if it worked pretty well, if I recommended it still. So over a year later, let's go ahead and take a look at it. I do have it on backwards. I just realized that it was raining. I was trying to get it on real quick. You can see that everything is still kind of wet around here. This does keep my mower pretty dry. And it's really easy to put on. Now I have a Troy-built 46-inch deck Bronco, so it is a little bit larger, but it keeps all the rain off, keeps it nice and dry. It's filthy from me using it, of course, but it does keep the water off of it and the elements. And this cover does have stretch on both of the ends. I guess while I have it off, I'll go ahead and put it on correctly this time. It also does have this little tie here, so you can tighten it. And then you just stretch it over your mower or whatever equipment you want to use this on, because it would fit for other equipment too. Now personally, I've never had to tie it or tighten it with that strap thing. It just stays on pretty well. And it does cover the entire mower on all sides. It definitely wasn't a product I expected a ton of feedback on over the year. I live in a pretty wet, hostile environment, and overall, this has been working great. But if you want to cover your mower with a cover that actually will last, check out the Himal. I definitely like it, and I do recommend it after a year of using it. And I actually considered getting a couple more of these covers for some other equipment that I have, like a smaller chipper and stuff. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.